Welcome to 7912 294th Street South in Roy, Washington. This is a 4-bed, 2.5 bath, 1,762 square foot house that sits on just under half an acre. This 2-story home was built in 1997 and features a 2-car garage, a renovated kitchen and bathroom, a newer roof that's still under warranty, and resides in a very quiet neighborhood that's close to Joint Base Lewis McChord. This house has a real rural feel, but you still feel close to amenities. Let's go check it out. Hi there, and welcome to today's tour. So far, what do you think about this living room? I love the vaulted ceilings and all the natural light that's pouring out throughout this entire house. Well, let's go check out the rest. We're gonna stop at the dining room on the way, and I'll meet you in the kitchen. This kitchen is recently renovated. New countertops, new floors, new appliances. It's ready for you to start cooking. But we're here to check out the rest of the house as well. So let's go see the family room, the half bath, and then we'll go check out the upstairs. On the way back, we'll see the garage and the backyard as well. Great to have this half bath right off of the kitchen and the main space. Let's go check out the living spaces upstairs. We're going to start with bedroom number 1 here right at the top of the stairs. Now that we've seen bedroom 1, let's move on to bedroom number 2. Now bedroom number 3. Before we check out the master, let's see the main bath for all of our other bedrooms. Great. Now we're on to the master bedroom and bathroom. Let's check that out. What do you guys think about that master bathroom shower? Probably one of my favorite pieces about the whole house. Now we've seen the vast majority of the house. Let's go look at the backyard. Here we go, our large lot, fully fenced in backyard. This half-acre lot offers a fully fenced backyard that is so perfect for playing, for pets, and especially for entertaining. Now that we've seen the backyard, let's go check out the garage, which has all kinds of special features. Before we hit the garage, let me talk about the laundry room. We've got a space that has plenty of extra storage and already comes with a washer and dryer that will be staying with the house. Let's scope that out, then go to the garage. This garage is going to satisfy your need for anything you have to store or also hobbies with this great workshop space and tons of overhead storage. Now we've seen everything that this gorgeous Roy home has to offer. Let's head back up front and talk about our final comments. We really hope you enjoyed today's tour. Thank you for joining us. If you'd like a personal tour of this property, please reach out to your agent, or feel free to reach out if you have any final questions. Thank you again for joining us. Have a fantastic day. We look forward to seeing you soon.